Hello children, this is Seema Singh again with a new video. So children, I feel you all are safe and healthy and back with the same energy for the new session. Happy Diwali to you and your family. So today's video is a continuation of the same lesson, how far is the river. Okay, so it is since 15 days I have explained you, so let's revise the explanation. Okay, this story is about a boy who was very much interested in seeing the river because he had heard about the river, but he had not seen about the river. So he wanted to see the river, and one day his parents were out to meet some relatives, so this boy decided that he is going to go and see the river. His parents have left some food for him. He packed that food and he started his journey to see the river. Okay, and when he started, on the way he met a woodcutter. The woodcutter was very friendly to him. He walked along with him a half journey and then he took a diverge. He went to the other side. Okay, to see how long he had to walk, he met a girl and he asked him, how far is the river? The girl was not having any idea about the river, but she bluntly said that it was 20 miles. But before the boy had asked the woodcutter had told him that it is only 7 miles. The boy smiled and he walked further. He did not give any reaction to the girl and he walked further. So let's start with section 3. Presently he saw another boy ahead of him, driving a few sheep down the path. How far is the river? He asked the boy. The village boy smiled in friendly way and said, oh, not far, just round the next hill and straight down. The boy, feeling hungry, unwrapped the loaf of bread and broke into half, offering one portion to the village boy. They sat on the hillside and ate in silence. When they had finished, they talked on and walked on and began talking. The boy did not notice the smartness of his feet and the heat of the sun and the distance he covered and the distance he had to yet to cover. But after some time his companion had to take diverge along the other path and the boy was once more left on his own. So, I told you children, the boy had met a girl before it, but the girl was not knowing anything and she just bluntly said it is 20 mile. The boy came to know that this girl did not know anything. He just smiled and he walked further. And as he walked further, he met a boy who was along with his sheep, and he went and asked the boy, how far is the river? The boy said it is not very far, just around the next hill and then straight down. As this boy had walked quite a lot, now he was feeling hungry. I told you before he had taken bread with him, so he unwrapped it means usne wo packet khola and he divided that bread and he gave half to that boy with sheep and half he ate. They sat on the hillside and they ate in silence. Quietly they started eating the bread, and when they finished eating the bread, they walked and talked together. So they started towards their journey. Okay, as the boy was talking and walking, he did not feel the heat, he did not feel the distance he had covered. Because he had a company of the boy who had brought his sheep on the mountain to graze. Now the way of the two was about to change because the shepherd boy had to go on the other side and this boy had to walk straight to see the river. And he took a diverge and this boy went straight on his own. Okay, I'm reading. He missed the village boy. He looked up and down the mountain path, but he could see no one. His home was hidden from the view by the side of the mountain and the river was not in sight either. He began to feel discouraged. If someone had been with him, he would not have fluttered. But alone, he was tired and lonely. He was sorry he had finished his bread and he might want it more. Okay, as this shepherd boy took the divergent, now this boy was very sad. He was missing the village boy. He looked up and down near the river here and there to see that if he could see someone, but no one was in the sight. Even his home could not be seen from the place from where he was standing, because the mountain had covered the view of his home, and even the river was not in the sight. Even the river sign of the river was not seen, and the boy started feeling discouraged means he started regretting it. Why did he come? वो पछताने लगा कि वो क्यों आया रिवर देखने के लिए, इतना थक गया था वो. But he said कि if someone would have been with him, he would not have fluttered. अगर उसके साथ कोई होता तो उसको इतना थकान वकान नहीं होती और वो कुछ अपनी जर्नी एंजॉय कर सकता था. But as he was alone, he was tired and lonely, and he was also feeling sorry because he had nothing to eat. He had divided it and he had given this half the bread to the shepherd boy, and he was wondering if he would have needed later on, because it was a long journey and he need to walk more. तो उसको भूख तो लगेगी, तो हो सकता है उसको वो ब्रेड और चाहिए होता, पर वो ऑलरेडी उसको दे दिया था, right? So children, we stop here and tomorrow we are going to explain further. This is all for today. See you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye.